Hey everybody, so today I just wanted to do a quick video on how we can leverage GNU-PG on a CompactRIO to get us file encryption. Very first thing, and I actually already ran this, that you'll want to do is you'll need to SSH into your target, and you'll just run this command right here, opkg install GNU-PG. So that's going to actually install and configure the library to do what you want it to do. So you'll need to run that, and then you're ready to go. And I just have a simple VI set up that will take a file, encrypt it, and show the encrypted text, and then decrypt it, and then show the original plain text. You actually can do a lot more with GNU-PG than just simple file encryption. Just wanted to show one thing that you can do. So once you have that installed, here I'm just generating a file. So this is in home LabVIEW user. I'm just creating a file called privatedata.txt, and writing to it, this is a test, closing that reference. And then we are going to use GNU-PG to encrypt it. I have this set up as a sub VI, so I'm using a password to encrypt and decrypt that file. You can also use keys as well. GNU-PG supports both. And you have to specify a cipher. In this case, AES 256 is a very good encryption cipher. So just to show kind of how this can be called, there's kind of just a whole bunch of formatting of commands and whatnot. So as you can see, we run this GPG command with a yes argument, a batch argument, a passphrase argument, and then we're formatting into that our passphrase, which is, as you can see, we're using the password we specified, which in my example here was just canon controls. We're passing in the moving on to there. Yeah, passphrase equals passing in that password, a -c, -cipher, -algo, and that's passing in this cipher, which in my case is that AES 256. And then lastly, we're going to pass in a just this string, which is the file path. So here, it's just doing a little bit of cleanup on the file path. But yeah, basically we will pass this string in, just filling in these three parameters with the passphrase, the algorithm, and the file path. And we're passing that into just a system exec that will run on the target, and that will actually encrypt the file. Now, there's one other thing that we need to do, is it's actually going to create a slightly different file. So the output name we get is slightly different. Oh, it actually hasn't shown it there, but it adds an extra little file extension on to let you know that it's an encrypted file. So we are actually going to remove the original file, so only the encrypted instance still exists. So this will create basically an encrypted copy of the file, and then this is removing the old file. So we're just passing in that file path and using the rm command to remove that. And yeah, after we've encrypted it, we are going to read the encrypted text so you can see that it's encrypted, and then we're going to decrypt it. And decryption is done very much the same, using the GPG command, yes, batch, and then we need to pass in the password, or the passphrase, and the file that we want to decrypt. And again, it's going to do essentially the same thing, where we are basically creating a decrypted copy of that encrypted file, and so we can remove the encrypted version of it as well. So I've already got this set up to run on my target, so let's run this. Take just a sec to deploy everything. And so, whoops, But yeah, we'll see the encrypted text display here, and then the decrypted text we will be able to see the original test text that we uploaded to the target, which just says this is a test. So let's run this. There's our encrypted text. There's our decrypted text. So again, just looking at this code, we're writing this is a test, encrypting it. We're reading that file to show that, yep, it is encrypted. We've got this jarbled nonsense that we can't decipher. And then we pass the decrypt function in, and we are reading that file again, and we get the original text. So just showing we were successfully able to encrypt and decrypt a file. So if you want to secure certain data log files so that they aren't viewable by anybody, this is a good way to encrypt those files, and then you're able to decrypt them later when you need to interact with them or whatever. So yeah, that would be how you can use GNU-PG on your CompactRIO to encrypt and decrypt files. Thanks for watching.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.